another beautiful afternoon. Sorry, I was a little bit occupied. But the scenery of this resting place, or should I say a garden, right in Yanbu's Corniche, like coastal area, where people later on, or like you can say on weekends, stay here, you know, to do picnicking and enjoy their time. As you can see, the sun is about to set. What a change of scenery. I remember last year this place was just old school, like you can say a marina. But now it has, like you can say, these grass, palm trees, and trees. Everything is good. What a beautiful, beautiful view. Families, you can see in the distance, are walking to their destination just to sit down and have fun. Yeah, good.